So we have all of this here for craft supplies, but beginning for day 4, Matt just brought it in. Madeline has a surprise.
It has a name. Is that a person?
Read here.
I got a new bed.
I don't think since you've had a toddler bed that you've ever had like a new, just for you, not bunk bed. Dad bought you a bed frame.
You can get naps on it.
So instead of her having the trundle that was under the bed, which is what Rebecca's been sleeping on, but for a while she was fine with that because she's afraid of heights. And anyways, so Rebecca was fine with that when she was sleeping in here, but Madeline's a teenager. She wanted something bigger, and we wanted to get it off the floor for her to have under the bed storage. So Matt bought her. Does that have our address on it?
I don't think so.
Okay. So Matt bought her a bed frame. Matt, where did it come from?
Amazon?
Amazon. Lorelai.
That's why I asked
Brand.
if it's a person.
But it is a twin size, so it'll be the exact same size as this one. It's slightly different design, but it's a metal bed frame.
Awesome sauce.
Okay, we bought it. You put it together. Love you. Bye.
Okay. Yay! No, I do not trust you. You're gonna get hurt.
Gotcha. Don't show the bottom of the box. Let's get this put together.
See, it's got the spare parts.
It has spare parts.
It looks like it's mostly just, what, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 bolts. It comes with a key.
Has a key.
Is it a beautiful key?
I mean, it's silver, so it's...
We don't have to find the key. No!
This is the crazy part. Is it has its own little ratchet.
That's nice.
Nice.
This is trash. I'm going to hand it to you.
I have a trash can.
You dropped something. It's under your leg.
That's why Dad handed it to you. Oh, no.
It's a Weedle. You threw the instructions on the bed. Normally I just stand and hold them and I'm like, here's a picture of what you're supposed to be doing right now. What is teamwork? Before diving. Okay. I love this wording. Honey, can you touch the screen for me? There it goes. Before diving into your soon-to-be beloved home addition. I kid you not. Read the top line.
Conditions of the sale. Read the fine print.
This is a binding agreement between you and ZINUS. ZINUS is the company. 30 days.
Apparently my new name is Lorelai. Whatever.
You have 30 days to try it out.
Alright, here you go. Have fun.
Okay, love you. Bye.
Bye.
I actually kind of want to see if she will. I mean, she put her dresser together.
These.
They should be labeled.
Let's careful not to just set things on the hardwood floor.
Izzy doesn't trust me. That might be why she doesn't trust me. This is piece A.
Yeah, you are kind of swinging that around dangerously. You kind of scared her.
Alright,
You didn't read the instructions. The bag is not a toy.
Assembly as 1, 2, 3. 1, 2,
Technically, it's as easy as 1, 2.
Alright, numero.
What am I looking for?
The little rubber thing on the bottom.
That's, oh, hold on, hold that. The lighting in here is really weird and the camera's like, no. Oh, okay, I see it. Yeah, I still would feel better about putting these on it. Wonder if we have any more square. Oh, no. I bought, when we did hers down here, these discs right there, I bought a set for her bed too. She just didn't notice.
Yeah, we were kind of too busy rubbing wheels on each other's backs and giving each other back massages.
Yeah, they were playing with the wheels in the department where you buy furniture coasters is also where you buy wheels for your furniture.
It shows 1 and 1 going together.
Okay.
But I think I need the nails.
Those aren't
Nuts,
nails.
Things, bolts. What do you?
If you use a screwdriver, it's called a... It's not called a driver.
Technically, these are bolts.
What's the difference in a bolt and a screw?
Screws are put by screwdrivers. Or the head.
So, Madeline,
Yeah.
I want you to look at the little thingies.
Please. Oh yeah, this should be which one this way.
at a time.
Pay attention.
Let me have the other one, because this one...
Wait to see if it's in.
Now, does this slide on or in?
So does this one need a springboard like hers does?
No. This goes... I'm pretty sure this is right.
This will be a little bit lower than hers because she is sitting on a box spring.
Box spring, not springboard. Springboard is something you use for swimming.
But yeah, because her bed came with a box spring, she has a box spring and a mattress, so yours will sit lower, but you don't need it. Which, having a bed that does not require a box spring actually saves you money in the long run, because whenever her mattress will need replaced in 2 years, so will her box spring.
Nice. Haha.
Well, that just means whenever she comes home from college for Thanksgiving, she'll have a brand new mattress and box spring.
Man.
You hold this one up. Okay, those are both going through. Set it down.
Well, that's cool. Oh, I only bought a 4-pack of the furniture coasters, so we'll need 2 more.
You know those long ones? You can cut them.
No, I want to get all of them the same
Just to
size.
make sure.
It just means on Friday I'll get 2 more.
Yeah, okay. So this is actually something I like about this this frame, is it came with this little sleeve. And the way that the sleeve works, so I believe it's easier to go ahead and slide this in like that. And then so what that is the sleeve is in both sides of that. So it gives it something to carry that gap.
And then the foot supports both sides equally through the sleeve.
Go ahead and put that screw back in the hole. It's not going to fit
Why
tight.
does the sleeve have holes like this?
That is a fair question, and I'm not sure, because the holes don't reach either one of the bolts. Go ahead and slide it
Maybe
back
it's an
through.
adjustment for an extra large twin mattress.
Well, that's the thing. The screw actually goes in this little gap here.
Right?
My guess is it makes it lighter and uses less metal. Do you have one screw in your hand?
Yeah.
All
The
right.
second language on this is German, so I'm going to assume that this came from Germany?
So the sleeve is inside that.
Does the screw go through the sleeve and the bar?
It doesn't actually go through the sleeve, but the sleeve is in there. Still can't believe it came with this tool.
That's nice. How many dressers did we put together in 2020 without a ratchet? 5? 5. Because your dad and I each have our own dresser, and then each of you have your own dresser.
And also the tables.
Those didn't come in 2020.
Actually, this
They
is...
came the next year. We tried to get her one of those, but they don't have them anymore. But she has an organizer for this drawer, and I think she likes it better.
Are specifically made to go in the middle because they have a little pop thing on them.
Hey Dad, the other one's in here. Do you have your keys on you?
Nope.
Can you bring your
The
bear
other
scissors,
F is
please?
in there. Well, let's slide off the end.
I tried.
You're tightening it, Madeline, not making it easier.
You see the end? Let's see if we can slide this one
So,
specifically out.
are the non-Fs G's? Are they called G's?
Alright.
Are the non-Fs called G's?
I don't know. Yes.
Let me just slide another one out. So these have a strip on them for something.
Please
Weird.
peel off the.
Take the whole set.
And
Don't
one
peel
of the
those yet.
F rods was in it. You gotta,
Non-slip tape.
maybe for packaging purposes only?
No.
Okay.
The instructions specifically say to peel that off.
So F has to be popped in place and then the G ones do not, which is how you know the difference. And it's also on either side of the bolts.
May I see the instructions one more time? Because it specifies... Alright. The ones with tape go in positions 2 and 3.
So.
Tape side up.
Don't peel it
off
yet. Don't peel it off yet. Just put it in. Tape side up.
2. That's 1. That's 1.
Might need thrust instead of pressure. Don't.
Oh, come on.